tell them back up, cause I clack up. You messed up when you let me in. Told the best friend you wanted me. Hey y'all, so today we're gonna be getting ready together. Now let me just tell you, I'm in a hurry and I'm drinking Red Bull because I have very little energy. I initially planned for this to be like a lit turn up video. I was gonna pop a bottle of champagne with y'all, you know. But if I'm just being honest, I'm not gonna drink it. So like ain't no use in wasting a $40 bottle of champagne when I'm not gonna drink it. I'm also rushing, so I'm gonna try to get the base of my makeup done and then I could pop back in and chat with y'all. But I kind of need to turn up and like listen to some music and get my energy right because it's my birthday. Like I need to like get on, and I'm not on right now. So I know that's not good for me, but girl, I need something. Whose nose is this? We don't know. Going for the extra full coverage look today. Woo! Almost dropped my pride and joy. kind of kick in or whatever. Now that I'm like almost fully done with my makeup. But I got 15 minutes to finish everything because I need to be done by 6. Reservation is at 7. The place is 40 minutes away because we got to factor in a little walk from the parking space. These lashes are from All Things Beauty. These are Dream, one of like my all-time favorite lashes that I've ever worn in my life. And I'm not just saying that because they come from my business. I'm saying it because they really are. I love them. And now I was going to do the wig, but I don't have time. I'm gonna have to throw on a synthetic wig because they are already styled and I don't have to style them since I don't have time. I only have 15 minutes and I still got to get dressed. So birthdays though, like, are y'all the type of people who don't care about your birthday, or are you like me and your birthday is everything, girl? Like, my birthday is everything, okay? Like, my birthday only comes around once a year. It's literally the day to celebrate my existence and all of my milestones and accomplishments and failures and successes and everything. So I take it very seriously. Like, it is the one day out of the year that is solely dedicated to me and my life and the celebration of my life. So I take it very seriously. Yeah, so like, I take birthdays very seriously. Like, let me know if you're the type of person who don't care about your birthday, or if you're like me and you take it serious. I take it very seriously. And I take other people's birthdays seriously as well. Like, I'm not just talking about only my birthday. Like, your birthday is your birthday. I was watching the Jersey Shore, and that's like, I used to love that show. You know, I've never been to Seaside, like, ever, girl. And I've lived in New Jersey all my life. Like, I've never been to Seaside Heights. But like, also too, I was like, I grew up poor, lowest key, like, lived in shelters and stuff. So like, anybody got no money to take you to Seaside, girl? But like, now that I'm an adult, I still haven't gone back. And I always say that I'm going to, but then I'm like, what I'm supposed to do down there? Like, I don't know. I feel like it probably used to be lit, but I don't know about it being lit anymore. But I freaking love the Jersey Shore. Only like seasons 1 through 3 though. After that, no. I still struggle with putting on lashes, girl. So give me a second. But this is the like finale of like the birthday week takeover. Like, how did y'all enjoy it? Like, did you enjoy seeing my face every day, girl? This is my hardest eye. So like, no, for real, I'm gonna need a second. Now that's a birthday lash. What time is it? Okay, 8 minutes remaining. Down to the bottom. At the top. These I got these from Forever 21, these high shine lip glosses. I got like a brownish one and like a peachish color. I love them. Here is the eyeliner. It really do help when you call stuff out like by name. It'll pop up. All right, girl, so I'm about to go get dressed real quick and throw on the wig, And I am going to probably close out the video when I get in the car if I don't get a chance to. I love you. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for spending the week with me. I appreciate you. It's much love. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop that in the comments and let me know what you thought of this little birthday week takeover. This is the second year that I'm doing it. Let me know if you enjoyed it, and I will catch you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.